there might be certain times when you want to remain focused and certain times when it is not important to remain focused. So what you can do is you can go on to your start menu, type in focus right here, and here you can see focus assist is an option. And once you click on focus assist, you can access this option right here. So it says choose when notifications you'd like to see and hear, or so you can stay focused. So you can turn this off, or say you want to have alarms only or priority only. So depending on that, you have focus notifications. So here you can see you can also choose around the times and activities when you don't want to be disturbed. So let's say you do not want to be disturbed from 11 p.m. to 7 a.m. Then you can turn that on. So only the priority notifications are displayed out right here. So if you were to set out notifications in priority, then only it'll pop up, otherwise it'll not right here. So when I'm duplicating my display, so let's say for example, you only regularly do this when you are presenting something to someone. So when you're duplicating your display, you don't want your personal information to be broadcasted out through the projector, then you can turn this on. So only alarms are displayed out right here, as you can see, or you can turn this off. When I'm playing games, maybe you don't want to be disturbed, you can change this out as well. Or when you're using apps in full screen, you can go for alarm only right here. Another thing that you can do is you can click on each one of them and you can set the focus level is priority only or alarm only. So depending on the priority, let's say some application notification is set to priority, then only that is shown right here. You can also show a notification action center when focus assist is turned on automatically, as you can see right here. So that is how you can set the a level of notifications when you want something to appear, what kind of notification to appear by using focus assist inside of Microsoft Windows 11. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.